If you have noticed a weird clicking noise coming from your engine bay, or if it feels like your car is struggling to catch its breath when you step on the gas, you might be dealing with a P0661 trouble code. This code stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Control Circuit Low Bank 1. Now that sounds super technical, but let me break it down for you. Your engine has a lung called the intake manifold, and inside that manifold there is a special valve often called a flapper valve. Its job is to change the path of the air entering your engine based on how fast you are driving. It helps you get better torque at low speeds and more power at high speeds. The problem is, on many cars like Mazdas, Fords, or Chevys, this valve is made of plastic, and as we all know, plastic parts inside a super hot engine bay are a recipe for disaster eventually. This code specifically means your engine control module, or ECM, is seeing a low voltage signal from the valve on bank 1, which is the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 lives. This could be because the valve is stuck, broken, or just too cold to move if you live in a freezing climate. The severity here is tricky because if that plastic valve breaks apart, pieces of it can actually get sucked into your engine cylinders, and that is catastrophic. So do not put this off. To diagnose this, start with the basics. Pop the hood and look for the valve connect. Is the wiring cracked? Is the connector loose? Sometimes it is just a bad connection. If you have a scan tool, try to command the valve to open and close while the engine is off. If you hear it clicking or see it moving, the electrical side might be okay, and you could be dealing with a mechanical obstruction. If you hear a loud clicking while the engine is running, that is a classic sign the valve is flapping around uncontrolled. Honestly, in my experience, the valve itself is usually the culprit. Replacing it can be a bit of a wrestle since it is often buried in the intake, but it is a doable Saturday project. Just make sure you check specifically for technical service bulletins for your car, because this is such a common failure that the manufacturer might have a specific updated part or procedure you should follow.